Introducing PSY 4600 Guide, your resource for simplifying complex psychological concepts and enhancing your understanding of human behavior. Each module is crafted to support your academic journey and deepen your insights. Let's have a look. PSY 4600 one-to-one discussion explores anxiety and mood disorders, focusing on understanding their symptoms, causes, and treatments. PSY 4601 project involves summarizing scholarly articles, focusing on key findings and relevance to psychological topics. PSY 4600 2-1 discussion focuses on analyzing different psychological theories related to anxiety and mood disorders. PSY 4600 2 project summarizes scholarly articles on phobias and panic disorder, covering symptoms, causes, and treatments. PSY 4600 3-1 discussion examines different therapeutic approaches and treatments for anxiety and mood disorders. PSY 4600 3-2 project involves creating an annotated bibliography to support a position paper on psychological topics. PSY 4600 2-1 discussion explores the impact of cognitive behavioral therapy in treating anxiety and mood disorders. PSY 4600 2 project summarizes articles on generalized anxiety disorder and PTSD, focusing on symptoms and treatments. PSY 4600 5-1 discussion focuses on evaluating therapeutic approaches for phobias and panic disorder, exploring their effectiveness. PSY 4600 5-2 project involves conducting a literature review on psychological research related to anxiety and mood disorders. For complete guide, visit us now.